So you have declared that I just don't look good in photos. There is no dearth of photography tips and tricks that will help you get better shots. I have myself made many such videos to help you take better pictures of yourself, but I am 100% confident that if you implement these 3 tips that I'm sharing with you today, next time you take portraits, you will for sure see a huge transformation in your looks and in your confidence in front of the camera. I haven't yet seen these tips being mentioned or explained anywhere on YouTube, and frankly, even some of the most professional photographers don't help their clients by laying certain foundations of how to feel beautiful, how to stay calm and confident so you look just that way in your pictures too. When my clients shoot pictures with me, they always tell me that in the past, when they ask their photographers, what should I be doing? You look great. Do whatever you're comfortable with. Comfortable? You're not a professional, so you're not really comfortable doing anything. You don't know what to do with your hands, with your face, with your smile, and that's why in most of the pictures you'll end up doing what you've been doing in all your old pictures. Just awkwardly smile at the camera, or your body just stiffens up. Especially your hands, they become really stiff like this in pictures. I've noticed this, like stiff hands, or they just hang loose because you don't know what to do. Guys, try these 3 tips because knowing how to take better pictures of yourself has become a huge necessity in today's day and age. You cannot escape being in photos, even if you want to. Photos are no more just random selfies with skin diffusing filters. They have to speak on your behalf. They represent you. With improved confidence, you can face camera and share your message, your talent, your business, your skills, your achievements, and your growth all across social media, across the world. When you're introduced to anyone in person, the first place they head to is either your Instagram or your Facebook or your LinkedIn to know more about you. And if people are going to do so, you better be prepared to present the best version of yourself across your social media. And it better not be just that one picture on LinkedIn that you shot years ago. I'm Parmita and I am an image coach with an agenda to help you look and feel like the best version of yourself. Once you try these 3 guidelines to look better in pictures, you will wish that someone had told you about these sooner. If you like them, then sign up for my upcoming Self-Photography 101 workshop. Are you seeing these pictures of mine? I don't take 500 pictures to select that one final image. I can help you to take great pictures in just one click. The link to this event, this workshop, is in my description. But more on the workshop later. For now, let's begin the 3 tips that will take your portraits to a whole new level. Welcome to Blush with me. Tip number 1 is to dress your personality and your mood. This one's going to be more than just picking a great outfit that fits you well. Pick outfits that show your personality the best, or your personality that you want to reflect in the pictures. Now, say if you wear a formal suit, but you want to take playful pictures in a casual pose, it just becomes kind of hard for you to be natural or comfortable. If you want to take playful, comfortable, natural pictures, then wear something more fun and playful like a jumpsuit or a floral dress or bright colors. You'll notice how naturally you will look playful and comfortable in pictures. Now, if you want to look elegant, wear something more elegant. Wearing elegant outfits makes you carry yourself like a royalty, like a queen. Let me give you an example. If a bride wears something very casual, she would carry herself very differently versus when she wears something very elegant, something that fits her beautifully. Her body language completely changes. You cannot force comfortable body language. Clothing makes a huge difference in making you a lot more comfortable. This trick works seamlessly when you're planning your headshots, either for your resume or for your LinkedIn profile or for your pictures on your website, for your company's newsletters or magazine. The image you carry in your pictures is the image that people will have of you. Very rarely will you see someone power posing in a sweatshirt or in loungewear. Clothing helps you role play easily. Every person is different, their personality is different, their vibe is different. Your pictures cannot be all about just posing alone. It should be about reflecting your true spirit, your message that you want to convey, and that's possible if you stay calm, if you stay relaxed and enjoy sharing the true self, your true self, with the rest of the world. Second thing that will help you is to play a character in your mind. Like, think of Jim Carrey and you cannot help but play goofy. You'll be super relaxed, funny, happy, sometimes overtly happy and overtly goofy, but it reflects in your whole body language. Now think of a mafia don like Godfather, or a character from a movie like a successful book author, or a president, and your body will just act like one. Your body language and your movements will start to slow down. Your big goofy laughter will turn to a very powerful, very controlled smile. Your chin lifts up when you even think of an elegant, sophisticated, calm and relaxed character. That is why, as an image coach, I believe that just changing one thing like your clothing or your makeup is not enough to bring a transformation in your image. It is a culmination of your mindset, your body language, your personal style that must transform with your age, because we are aging, we are changing. So should your personal style. The makeup tricks that are made for your face and your face alone, meaning customized makeup skills to enhance your facial strengths and overall confidence, because all of these are meant to highlight your strengths and take that attention away from anything that you don't want to highlight, that you may think are your perceived flaws. If you think you have abundance of talent, but it's your image and your confidence that needs a facelift, then reach me and let me be your image coach. My website is parmitakatkar.com. It is linked below. And here comes your tip number 3. Different kind of music makes you feel and act differently. So use music to your advantage. Use it to make your life and your posing game simpler. Sexy music makes it easier for you to do sexy poses like those boudoir pictures. Jazz music helps with elegant and classy poses. Workout music like trap or rap for fitness shot. Happy, playful music for family pictures or beauty portraits. Ethnic music when you wear outfits from your culture. Beyoncé music is my favorite when I want to feel powerful in pictures. I'm sure by now some beats are already playing in your mind, and some of you might be excited to try all of these tips, or at least some of these tips. What do you think of today's tips? Which one are you going to try first in your next photo shoot or even in your self-photography session? Share your thoughts and the topic suggestions in the comments below. Like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, that I will be hosting a 2-day self-photography 101 workshop on July 10th and 11th from 9 a.m. to 11. This will be over Saturday and Sunday, 2 hours per day, and we will be covering some important points in details. I'll be hosting this workshop myself so I can educate you on the importance of learning to present yourself in the best way possible when you take pictures. We cannot hire professional photographers every day, so it is even more important to understand how to photograph yourself well. This workshop will be anything but complicated. I want to keep it simple, fun, and educational, so you learn everything about how to find your face and body angles, posing with hands and your body, dressing tips for photos, makeup that looks good in photos. Yes, everyday makeup is very different from makeup for camera. And the most requested, editing photos. I will share my favorite and easy to use apps that I use myself to edit most of my photos in less than 1 minute. The link to join this workshop is again in my bio. That's a good place to head to right after this video. The spots are going to be limited, so I can give attention to all the attendees and answer some of your questions in person. I love these workshops because I get to see you face to face. Once you sign up, you will be sent a Zoom link and details before the workshop. This is exciting. Let me know in the comment section below what aspect of your personality you want to transform next. Inner confidence, or outer? And what would that topic be? If you have been an avid follower of Blush with Me, Parmita, then help me spread the word about the importance of working on your image and strengthening it. Share this video with your friends, this channel with your friends. But if you are new to Blush with Me, Parmita, and this is the first time you're watching my video, then please hit that subscribe button and follow me on all my other social media handles on Instagram, Facebook fan page, TikTok, Amazon storefront, as well as Amazon live streams. I want to see your finger reaching that like button and click on it. Did you just do that? Awesome. Thank you. Now you are good to go and watch all my other videos and playlists, and I will see you next week. Until then, blush with me.